Hello again, this is Dave from the Roads and Rails Museum, and we're going to be doing some repair time today looking at our Cyclone roller coaster. This is one of our two little roller coasters. This is the smaller of the two, and it's failed and I want to go fix it. So here I'm passing through one of our little tunnels, and I have to unplug it first, and this ended up taking far too long, but it's all necessary. And what the problem it had is that it has beautiful lights on it, and a beautiful light show that's faded and faded and faded, and it's got a motor on it that's not doing well. And we're going to take a look at the gears and open up the bottom and see everything that's in it. There it is, my prize. And I'm taking it back now to the front. We did this all while we were open, just trying to keep on top of things. No reason to wait on them. And bring out the soldering iron, get it ready, and remove the leads from the motor. And we're going to try to apply direct voltage to it and see what happens. And this turned out to be a pretty good solution. As you see here, I put 12 volts from our little bench power supply here directly into the motor. And suddenly the lights started working as well. Again, the light show started working. So I think the board inside had become overburdened. And but here you can see here, I actually increased the speed on it so that it's more entertaining and more interesting to watch. And yep, they're moving up at a good clip now. They were very slow before, but here we go, moving down nicely. And we'll put it back into the display now that we have it fixed. And I have a lot of power supplies in a box that I keep around that are AC adapters of various kinds, and I always have some use for them. And this was no difference. Here you can see it here. You can see that the lights have just come back on and they're looking great. And the little cars are running well. And it makes for an entertaining display. By the way, come by and see for yourself. These are our hours. We've got our own parking. We're right in downtown Frederick, next to Shab Row. Our social media on Facebook and YouTube is Roads and Rails Museum. And every week we feature a different advertiser. This week it's Douglas Villa Photography. Thanks. See you soon.